Room 1407 is a luxury suite, ocean view with outdoor jacuzzi. Let's take a look inside. As I walk in, you can see two big, beautiful king beds, sofa with coffee table, and a lovely chair here. These rooms don't always come with cribs, but I asked them to leave this one in here as well. So I know I got a lot of family clients who do ask, what does the crib look like? There you go. So your two big, beautiful king beds, side tables, and my goodness, is this not the highlight? You've got that beautiful ocean view. You can see the entirety of the resort. It's lovely jacuzzi tub, two cushioned sun loungers, lovely wicker chairs and coffee table. This is an absolutely stunning suite. And there is your view. Turn back around and you can see that jacuzzi, and we'll head back into the room. So come back in, you can see the desk area as well as your amenity vanity. So you've got your amenity bar, lots of storage, mini bar down below. I'll make my way into the washroom area. You've got a big storage closet here on the left. I'll open up the one side. You've got hangers, steamer, safety deposit box, and some shelves. Another storage area here. Big vanity area, two sinks, and a shower space. That is absolutely massive. You got a little bit of a peekaboo windows there as well. Some hooks and a rack for your towels. Beautiful shower area. And just a quick look at the toilet area. And there's the main door. I'll come back around one last time and we'll finish with that view of the bedroom. So this is a luxury suite ocean view with jacuzzi here at Serenade Punta Cana.